Welcome to Artech. What I have here is the Ironclad Family Passport Holder. This is an RFID blocking family size passport holder. So why don't we go ahead and open this up and let's take a look at it, see how it looks. So here it is. It's like they packaged it up with some little confetti and stuff in here for you. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's a nice soft pouch that they put it in. It's actually really soft. Good way to keep it clean when it's not in use. And there it is. Like I said, this is Oxford fabric. This is their gray version. They also do have a blue one. As you can see here, it's RFID blocker. So let's go ahead and let's open this up and let's take a look on the inside. As you can see here, you got plenty of slots for your credit cards, which will go right here. And right here, you got a zippered see-through pouch that you can put some change in or any other little items. And on this side, you got another small zippered pouch right here. You can put little miscellaneous items in here like SD cards or SIM cards. You can even put a couple of keys in here. Here we've got 3 slots for your passports. And you have another one on this side right here. And behind the passport slots, you have another zippered pouch. Here you can put cash or a cell phone inside here. And behind this slot here, you got a couple more pouches or a couple more slots to put other documents in. Let's go ahead and close it. And let's take a look here, and you see up here in the front you got another slot. You can put your boarding passes in right here, and on this side you have another zippered pouch big enough to go ahead and put more documents, or even a cell phone could fit in this one as well. Pretty much wherever you want to decide. You got plenty of space to put a lot of things in here. So why don't we see if we can put this stuff inside this passport holder here. There you go. See it all fit in here pretty nicely. No issues at all. And I still have space from other stuff. I would probably use this actually for cash. That way I don't have to open up the whole thing if I want to pull cash out. Or if you wanted to, go ahead and put the cash in here. And if you have a small enough cell phone, you can put a cell phone in here. Of course, this is not going to fit some of the larger phones, although this is a Note 8 and it does fit here with the case on it, so it is a pretty decent size. Again, got 5 cards. I actually have my international driver's license packed in with 3 passports. Got 5 cards. Got a little coin pouch here if you wanted. I still had room, put more in here. Got my little pen holder. Got SD card. Got my little pin for taking out the SIM card on my phone. USB key. Got a couple of keys in here. Couple SIM cards. The good thing also about this passport holder is that this is water resistant. So if you get caught in a light rain or something, you don't have to worry about water getting inside here. This is a 360-degree RFID blocker. You do have a little wrist lanyard here, or if you want, you also have a little holder here. For example, if you want to open it up, put your hand inside the little slip to make it easier to hold on to your passport holder. Easily just close it back up again. Grip it, and the whole time you got a nice grip of it. You got your little wrist lanyard here if you want to wear it around your wrist. This is actually a pretty nice passport holder. It's nice material here. It isn't that really thin, flimsy like you normally find. It's got a nice feel to it. Easy open zippers. Plenty of space. Just one thing to be aware of is some of these pockets are very deep. Let me show you here. It's like this will go, pretty much your boarding pass will fit all the ways down to the bottom on this side. It will go all the way down to the bottom on this side almost as well. Keep that aware whenever you put something inside these pockets, like if it's going to be a passport. If you put a passport in here, shove it in here, it will drop, push. If you push it, it will go all the ways down to the bottom. So just be aware of that. See, it's all the ways down to the bottom now. So just be aware of that. If you're going to put passports in here, that it doesn't stop so that it's just at the top. It will go all the ways down. That's the same with this one right here. It'll go all the way till it hits the very bottom here, in which case this one's not as big of a deal. And then this one drops, it is right there. And like I showed you on this side, this one will drop all the ways down. The pocket on this one is a little bit wider as well because you don't have this zipper pocket on this side like you do here, which would make it perfect if you have bigger booklets to put in here. Like this one fits perfectly here, but it won't really fit in this one because it's a little too small, but it will fit here. Or if I wanted to, this one will also fit here, and it will fit on this side pocket as well. So I don't have to take up this nice pocket here just for use of this. So this is a pretty nice family sized passport holder. I am quite impressed with it. Again, I am impressed with the material this is made out of. I do like it, and I will definitely be using it. I've got a trip coming up to Asia in a little bit, and this is going to be the passport holder that I take with me. So this has been the unboxing and the review of the Ironclad family sized passport holder. I hope this video was of use to some of you. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to ask. I will answer to my best best of my knowledge. If I don't know the answer, I can try to find it for you. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.